Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up the month of December in my Erin Condren social media planner. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, oh my gosh, the final month of 2022. So I am using a lemon and honey studio kit. I've got here this beautiful sheet of like washi deco pieces. They're very, very pretty, very, very sweet, kind of translucent. I've got sheet 2, which is the second half of the month header, and then sheet 1, which is the first half of the sheet header. This is gorgeous. If you'll notice, this is die cut around this little holly poinsettia little floral here. Isn't that beautiful? Alrighty, so let's just dive right into this. I can't believe we're already here at the end of the year. This went by so quickly. I've got so many videos to film too for year end, like, you know, covering all of the new planners that I have. Okay, so let's see. I'm wondering if I should turn this upside down and kind of line it up by the top edge of the paper, because I think this is supposed to go like this. Let's see. I'm gonna have a little bit of, okay, so I think I'm gonna need to white some of this out here. Okay, so I ran white out along the edges here. So I think, let me flip the book back around. So I think now I will be okay. And I think I'm gonna line this up here. And the tricky thing about these stickers is they are not repositionable. So you kind of gotta get it right, which I think I'm failing to do. Okay. There. Look at how pretty that is. That is so gorgeous. And these are days that aren't part of the month, so it's okay that this drops down in there like that. So then let's try to do this second half. I'm just lining it up with this inside edge on the coil here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so this says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. How pretty is that? Okay, and then let's put the days of the week down. So starting with Sunday. Oh, these are really pretty. I like these scripts on here. Monday. Social media has been very busy because I did 2 advent calendars, the Fern Creek Stickers calendar and the Hand Can Plan, and they are so much fun, but it's a lot of work, friends, to try to post every day. And here I didn't even get posting every day. So what I've been doing is like posting for 2 days. So it's the best I can do. Alrighty, so there's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I will take some time and put all of these pretty date dots down, just because they add such a beautiful pop of color, and then we will come back. Alrighty, so I have all of those date dots down. That is so pretty, I love that. And then now let's go ahead and put down my weeks. So I always start with my Plan With Me's that go up every Sunday. So it's at the end of each week. I put that week's Plan With Me up. So we'll do all of these. 3. And then one more. That's Christmas Day. Okay, so there's that. And then let's put up, so December monthly, whoops, we'll go on this Friday. And then I want to do the Clean Mama. Normally I've been trying to do the Clean Mama first, so I apologize that I didn't get it up on this Friday, but it'll be up on this Wednesday here. And then, let's see, I should try to get my budget up here, and then social media here. I might have to switch these 2 and put social media here, it just depends. And then I usually like to do my flip throughs at the end of the month, so I'm going to put this one here. And then I have my planner stack, so I think I'm going to put that one here. I have all my planners, so I just have to go through them. And then it looks like I'm gonna need to fill in videos for here and here. I do need to order some stickers. So one of these will probably be a sticker haul, if not two. Oh, and then the Archer and Olive sub box is on the way. So let's do, maybe, I'm not sure when I'm gonna get it. Maybe it'll come and I'll be able to do it here. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so that's what my month looks like. Oh, this is a gorgeous kit. That's so pretty. Okay, and then flipping in here, let's see what we have. We don't have any washi per se that goes with this. I do have this little strip here, but I'm gonna pull some other washi that I have. I have this Santa washi, which doesn't quite, it's not quite the same theme. Let's see, maybe what I can do is, maybe I'll just use one of these. Let's see. I really like this one. There we go. This is so, oh, it's so pretty. It's so delicate. I feel like I'm gonna stick this here in this corner and do something like this, and then just trim this edge off. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. That looks really good. Okay, let's do that. And then I'm gonna draw in with my ruler my little grid box that I do, my little grid lines. So let me get those drawn in. Okay, so that's my little checklist box. And then since this kit has sort of this more scripty, cursive-y type font, let's use these from Saya Planning. Film, edit, and upload. And then we'll do thumbnail and then live. Okay, so that's that. And then here's where I just start with my plan with me's. So I think there were there 4 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sundays. So that's, I always do those first. And then we'll do the December monthlies. So monthly, Clean Mama, and then budget, social media, and then we will have a November flip through, and then we will have the Archer and Olive sub box, and then whatever else I end up having. Oh, I know I have my planner stack. I think I have stickers on order too that are coming. Okay, so that'll be that. And then over here, this is where I like to do my monthly kits and my weeklies. So let's see. I wonder if I should use some of this washi just to bring down some of that bright green. Like I could just, let's see. Probably we're using it. I wonder, let's just make it this dark green color instead of that bright green. Just to kind of go with the kit a little bit more. I'm not going to be able to cover all that up, obviously, but we'll figure something out. At least bring in some of this dark green a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then let's see. So this is monthly kits. Go here. And then my weekly kits. We'll go here. And then let's see, I feel like there were some dots. Yeah, let's see. Why don't we go ahead and cover these? We'll just use these. I'm gonna start with this lighter color here. We'll put that down. This one. And then red. And then one more. There we go. That's cute. Okay, and then let's go ahead and I'm not going to use any of these holidays. I'm going to save this because I don't really need those in my social media planner, but let's go ahead and use up all of these pretty florals here. I don't think, I kind of want to, let's put it like this so I have room. I'm going to put it like that there. And then we've got another one over here. And put these here like this. On the bottom of that. And then I want to use up these too. Let's see. I wonder if I should put one of these on here. Let's try to get, there's already a lot going on here, I know, because of this header, but I just, these are so pretty. I could save them and use them in a different plan with me. I have to be really delicate with this like washi paper. I kind of want to put it right here on this corner like that. And then just trim off these little parts that are hanging over. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. And then this is cute, this little quote. Oops. Okay, let's see. That's cute. I wonder if I should put one more sprig. Maybe I'll save these because I like these quotes. Maybe I'll save these two big pieces for something else. And then I still have a bunch of these little labels here. And then just a few little things here. I could put one of these cute little clips here. Monthly kits. Like that. That's cute. Okay. I think that's going to be it, friends. I think we're going to call that good. I think I'm all set. I do have a couple of spots here to fill in with videos, but I do, like I said, think I have stickers coming. So we'll fill that in. Alrighty, friends. I think that's my setup for December. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.